Silence is sweet, but not always, like the silent letter T in words. Welcome to Lip Studios. I'm Taposh. Today, I'm going to talk about a few mispronounced words with a silent letter T. Castle, castle, listen, listen, whistle, fasten, fasten, gourmet, ballet, Nestle, rapport, ricochet, mortgage, bouquet, debt, often. Well, that's all for today. Have a great evening. Oh, in case you want to be fluent in English or speak English the English way, visit our website to register for live sessions with me and my colleagues. Until the next time, have a great life.